In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort numerical data in a spreadsheet with ease and precision. Whether you're organizing data for work, study, or your personal projects, sorting numbers effectively can help you quickly retrieve and analyze the information you need. Let's dive into the process step by step to make sure you can follow along and execute this task smoothly. To get started, open your spreadsheet where your data is located. Once you're in, the first thing you need to do is select the range of cells that you want to sort. This is a crucial step because the range you select will determine the specific set of data that will be organized. You can select a single column, multiple columns, or an entire table, depending on your needs. Simply click and drag your mouse over the cells to highlight them. Next, with the desired cells highlighted, the focus shifts to the top of your spreadsheet tool, where you'll locate the Data menu. This is an important part of the process, as it's where all your sorting options reside. If you haven't used this menu before, it's typically found in the top menu bar, among other command options like File or Edit. Go ahead and click on the Data menu to reveal its drop-down list. From here, you have a couple of sorting options at your disposal. But before selecting, remember that your choice depends on how you wish to arrange your data, either ascending or descending order. If you're dealing with a list of numbers and need to organize them from smallest to largest, choose the option that says Sort Sheet by Column, EUZAS. This straightforward option will reorder your data in ascending order, making it easier to spot trends or low values. On the other hand, if your task requires sorting numbers from largest to smallest, you'll want to select Sort Sheet by Column, ZA. This option is particularly useful when you're trying to highlight top-performing values or prioritize higher numbers for analysis. These sorting features can significantly enhance your data analysis by bringing clarity and order to your spreadsheets. Proper sorting can also help you prepare data for reports, presentations, or any task where organized information is crucial. Remember, sorting won't destroy any of your data. It simply rearranges the way it appears, making it easier for you to make sense of it all. There you have it, a simple yet powerful way to manage your numerical data. Practice makes perfect, so feel free to go over these steps until you're comfortable with the process. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you find this skill helpful in your data handling endeavors. Keep exploring all the fantastic features your spreadsheet tool offers, and happy sorting!